This is a brand new automated equipment factory, upgraded and built by COFCO Corporation, which adopts the advanced automatic controlled painting process to realize production transparency. We have set up a high-standard assembly center integrating first-rate design concepts, manufacturing technique, and quality control processes from domestic and international sources, developed and produced processing equipment appropriate for types of grains. Each roll has gone through countless trials and strict control in any process to secure excellent quality of products. We have introduced fully automatic bending machines, pentagonal machining centers, vertical machining, and multi-station CNC machines, laser cutting, and similar devices to enhance the production capacity across the entire line. We have intensively engaged in high-end talents to promote the comprehensive upgrading of industries through technological innovation and hasten the rapidly developing grain machinery industry. We have been awarded 21 authorized patents, 6 invention patents, and 1 international patent, and certified with ISO 9001 quality system and EU CE certification. Up to now, we have provided overall electromechanical delivery projects for over 10 domestic and foreign grain processing businesses with daily production capacity over 1,000 tons, as well as over 80 large-scale enterprises. Our services cover the whole processes involving technical consulting, process design, overall delivery, and manufacturing of processing equipment for industries including grain processing, warehousing and logistics, feed and coarse cereals, biochemistry, and liquor brewing. Our products are exported to more than 20 countries, and our brand has become one of the most influential brands in China grain industry. With a complete set of refined management systems involving the project design, construction, and electromechanical system delivery, we provide more comprehensive whole industry chain services for customers.
We are very delighted to have reached this cooperation with COFCO Engineering Equipment, Genjaco, through systematic research and analysis of technical advantages on local grain conditions. COFCO Engineering provided us the perfect and integrated solutions for us and created extraordinary results.
以诚挚热情的态度，以真诚的服务，奉献属于我们的力量。
我们始终秉承按标准、求质量、出精品，为顾客的战略方针，打造国际一流、国内最高水平的专业粮食加工装备制造商。
Grinding good flour for the world.